After releasing a food-tapping number, Gulabo, with a live performance, Shandar actors Shahid Kapoor and Alia Bhatt unveiled the second song, Sham Shandar, from their movie at Mithibai College on Wednesday. And this time too, they performed it live during the launch event. At the launch, Alia said she wanted to release the song with the students of Mithibai College and she really pushed for it.
You know, we really wanted to release our title track with you guys. We really pushed for it. Because this film is for you. Shandar is for you. We want you to have fun. I want you to be dancing with your girlfriends, your boyfriends, your chacha, chachi, mama, mami, kaka, kaki, grandfather, grandmother. Just take this song, play it again and again and dance.
Sham Shandar is dominated by Shahid's flexible dance moves and talking about matching steps with the Heather actor. Alia said she was actually crying.
मैं रो रही थी जैसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी कहा था. Honestly, I really don't feel like I can match up to him, and I'm saying that with great honesty. I don't make that face, Shahid. I believe it.
No, I thought of a really nice story which I wanted to praise you about, but now I'll let it be.
Anyway, basically and the idea is not to match up to him. The idea is to really just have fun with him, because when he dances with joy, and he tells you, Alia, don't concentrate on the step. Think about the mood. You're focusing too much on the step. When he does it, you don't want to look, oh, how technical it is. Of course, it's technically beautiful, but his overall body language is so vibrant and so electrifying that it translates on screen. You just feel like, oh yeah, Shahid's dancing. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. You get that vibe. So you want people to dance with you when you watch them.
Shahid, who is sharing screen space with Alia for the first time, revealed that there was a major wardrobe issue while performing this number.
It's a really cute thing that Alia did when we were doing this song Shandar. There was a major wardrobe issue that was going on, and we were already on set, and there was something, because she had not seen, there was one main step, you know, where she's coming ahead like this, and that is, she has to like squat and do it and all that. So we realized that the outfit that she had decided was something like this. It was like a dress or something, and they were like, you know, we can't do that step in the dress. So she actually went back to her van, took one, you know, opened her bag full of all her clothes, took out a pair of shorts, came back and said, you know, if I wear these shorts, is it okay? Because then we can shoot today and we don't have to wait. So she's a very, very professional girl, and I thought that was really, really cool.
Directed by Vikas Bahel, Shandar also features Pankaj Kapoor. The film is releasing on October 22nd.